There are several claims, including one of our own exclusives, claiming Samsung is releasing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 sooner than anticipated, and it seems that this may lead to further leaks in the future. To start things off, the people at SmartPre have posted stunning renderings of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 online in an effort to establish that a redesign is not planned for this year. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 resembles the Z Fold 4 in terms of appearance, as you can see from the pictures. Again, this is not news. It is said that Samsung will release the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in 2024 with a refreshed design. However, it is too early to place much faith in these rumors as Samsung has not yet introduced this year's model. Samsung's choice to maintain the Z Fold 5's design from the previous year's model may have been motivated by the company's current attempts to save expenses. It's interesting to note that the Z Fold 5 doesn't seem to have discrete camera rings on the rear, a design element that Samsung has added to most of its phones this year, including the Galaxy S23 series. This would indicate that Samsung is choosing to offer a new device with a similar design while delaying the introduction of substantial upgrades since it is aware that the Galaxy Z Folds have not sold in large quantities. There may still be some noticeable alterations even if Samsung could go with a similar design with the Z Fold 5. The device is said to include a water drop-style hinge mechanism that will allow it to shut without any gaps between the two parts, according to rumors. When the device is folded, this design element will make it less likely that the plastic folding screen will sustain accidental damage, resulting in a slightly thinner body. However, it's unclear whether this decreased thickness will improve the device's durability or suit daily use. The normal year-over-year spec upgrades it will get should make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 an attractive device even if it doesn't have any, or enough, flashy upgrades or features. The CPU would get the most intriguing spec boost. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, which is proprietary to Samsung and will power the Z Fold 5, is expected to improve performance and battery efficiency compared to earlier Z Fold models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.